You don't like the kind bars? Kind bars. No, I'm looking for the other ones too.
Eat a lot of them.
Who can't eat a lot of them?
Not the ones that
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a grocery haul. We just came from Wegmans. So I'm going to show you everything that I got. We picked up a few of these turkey and bacon Cobb salads. Just 2 of these. Aluminum foil. And then a few of the Twister juices. And so this is tropical punch. And then I have fruit punch, Pop-Tarts, a few tuna creations, the hot buffalo style. I really like those. They're only 70 calories and have 15 grams of protein. And then the 2% milk, syrup. And I have been liking these Kind bars. They're the cranberry almond with macadamia nuts. They have 5 grams of protein. I think they are higher in calories though. So they have 170 calories, but I really like them. And I've also been loving these Protein 1 bars. These are the chocolate chip, and they are 90 calories each. They have 10 grams of protein and 1 gram of sugar. So I enjoy them. They're very tasty. And I picked up a couple of the Too Good yogurts. This is the vanilla. They have 2 grams of sugar. They have 80 calories in them and 12 grams of protein. So I've been enjoying the vanilla kind, and this is the vanilla kind. I just put a little bit of honey in there and maybe a little bit of fruit or nuts. I'll add that to it and eat it as a snack. And I haven't tried the strawberry one, but I just picked up one today, so I'll try that. We got some bananas and cherries, and let's see, bacon. These are chicken cutlets, and this is the lemon butter. They're already marinated, so we're gonna enjoy these. And then just some steaks, eggs, country crock butter, and this is the Dial coconut water soap, and then a few bags of the Bird's Eye steamed fresh vegetables. This is the chicken flavored rice, and then the pasta and broccoli, and then a few bags of the mixed vegetables. So that's it for the grocery haul. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. If you like this video, feel free to leave me a comment. Go ahead and subscribe. Share this video out. And I'll see you next time. Bye.